So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can earn on Telegram. So I'm going to be very straightforward. But the first thing is for me to head over to my Telegram. So for you to earn this, to make money through this method I'm going to show with you, I'm going to share with you rather, you need Telegram app in your phone. So the first thing is for you to go to Play Store and download Telegram. Go to Play Store. Come to Play Store like this, then you type Telegram and search for it. All right. So this Telegram, I have it now. My own even needs update. So I need to update my Telegram. So after downloading it, so once you download it, you come to it and enter your number as just like WhatsApp. So Telegram and WhatsApp are almost the same, but just that Telegram has some advanced features that WhatsApp doesn't have. So once you register like that, so you check the description. I'm going to leave a link there to get done. If you check the description, you'll see this link that I dropped there. This link that I dropped there. So you click on the link like this. So once you click on the link and you take it to Telegram, and you click on Telegram and open it. So that is it. And once you come to Telegram like this, you have to click on start. I've started it. You see start at the bottom level like this. Click on it. So once you click on it, just click on it. So you click on the start here, the start button, then it will bring you to this place. The next thing you do is what? You click on any of these. So if you are a new member, once you click on any of these, it will ask you to verify. It will ask you to verify. So you have to verify. Once you have clicked on verify, you have to verify. Once you have clicked on verify, you click on verify, it will appear like this. You click on it. So once you have verified, it will tell you that it's successful. So once you click on the verify like this, it's open. Then you click on open. Then it take you to the place that you just click on verify. It will tell you that it's successful. Once you have done that, then you are ready to earn. So if you want to earn, this is what to do. So you follow me now. For instance, I click on this micro tax here. So then it brings this up. This is the task I'm going to perform now that they give to me. And in this task, I'm going to earn this what? 0.05 cent. So what do I need to do? What is expected? You read this place. This is what I need to do. What is expected from me? So I'll click on this link. Then I'll register. I complete first survey. Log in 3 days. That is it. Then I'll earn that. Required proof. Send your wallet balance. Send your wallet balance. So that is what you need to get this money. So, but there's another thing. If you look at the task that is too much for you to complete, that you cannot do it, then you click on next. So you hit on next so that you go to the next task. So now they have brought up another one again. So what do I need to do now? I'll go and read it. This one now, they are going to pay me 0.004 USD. So what is this one? This one is sport racing. So what is expected of me? What? I'll join what? Carry race channel. Now let me do this one. I'll click on this link. All right. So I'll join. That is it. So I'll go back again to this one. What is the proof? I'll send proof here. So what is the proof that I need to do? I'll go back to this one again and click. Just watch. Sorry, this one is different. I think I'm click on a different thing. I think I made a big mistake. Okay. The required proof. If I want to get the proof now, just go to this place. What is the last thing? This is the last one that I joined. So I have to do what? Screenshot this place and send it to them. That's the required proof. So the first thing, I'll go down to my phone screenshot. Then I'll go to my add click bot. Then I'll click on send screenshot. So what do I need to do? That screenshot that I took now, I'll upload it here. So I'll click upload. Then select from the file. I'm using Android phone, that is why. So if your phone is different, so this is a screenshot, then I'll click on it. What do I need to do? Then I click on upload. Sorry. Then you see this link. I'm going to copy it. Then I'll click on copy. Or if it's not copying, I'll just long tap it to copy everything. So I'll go back to my bot again. Then it's a type message here. You can see it here. Sorry, you see it here. That is it. I'll click here and paste the link that I generated from that place. Then I'll send it. You see what is happening? Task submitted. So what is the next thing? I can click on it again. Okay, now I've done this one. I'll give you an example of this one. You can keep on doing that one. If that one is done, you click on this one again. This one is just to join chat. You click on it. If task is available, they'll give you this thing. You click on join. What happened? Then you go back to that place again. Then you click on I have joined. So what is it? What is that? Sorry. See, you must stay in that chat for at least 2 hours to earn your reward. So I'll not leave it first. I'll leave the group. I can leave it later. So there's another this thing available again, another task available. After I done the first one successfully, they give me another one. So I'll click on this one again and join. Then I'll go back and click that I've joined. I'll wait for them again. Successful. And you must stay in that group for at least 1 hour. So this is another one again. I can join, but let me go back now. Let me go back and show you something. Sorry. So okay, let me go back. So this another one. You can click on this one, message. What is it? I'll click on it. See, what are they saying? You say send message to the bot. Now I've done this one. Now look at it. The first thing you do is what? You click started. Then they're asking you now to forward message from the bot to them. Then you click message. Click on start. This message I just dropped, you click it, long tap it, then you forward it to the bot directly. You see it now. I've done that. And you see I've earned this. If you delay, they'll tell you that the message is what? Is too old. Then you have to click on what again? On message the bot and start again. So that is why it's good for you to click start first before you message the bot. So you click start, then they'll tell you to do that, and you click message the bot. That's it. Click on it again. Now I don't know. So on this bot, then you drop it. Wait, congratulations, you have received this one now. This amount I've received, I've earned now. So now let me go to another task that is different from this one. I'll show you an example of this one. I'll show you an example of this one. I'll show you an example of this one. This one survey. You can do it. You can visit site. If you click it, if there's tasks available to show you this one now, there's no tasks available for now for visiting website, just to visit website. So the next one is what? Post view. You click on it. Now there's no tax on this one. So you can always see tax in this macro taxing, join chat. Anytime you come online, you see at least one. This one is entering captcha. You can just enter it. Welcome on this thing. Then they'll ask you to enter captcha. Anyone you enter, they'll pay you. But this one, you can use your own channel to even make money. If you have Telegram channel, you can click on it. Then now, here you can earn money by monetize your Telegram channel. What will you do? You can click on this add channel. Then you add your channel. Then to continue, enter the username of the channel. Then you enter your channel username. So that is that. I don't have, so I have to go back. So that's another way you can earn. This one is autopilot. You can earn without you doing anything because you add your channel to it. So these are the ways you can earn money through Telegram using this ad click bot. And another way is what? You can refer and earn. That is what? You click on this referral, you generate referral link. So you enter it. And one thing about it is you earn 50% of whatever your referral do. Any referral that you have, you earn 50% of their addition. And if your referral want to advertise, you pay to them, you get 10% of it. So if I want to run an advert now, I'll click on ads with them now. It's a very good way to run adverts again and get profit. All these things that we are doing is people that are running adverts with them. If I click on advert now, for instance, look at it. I say create. Here you can create ad and current ad status. So look at it. If I click on new ad now, you see it. Look at it. Here you can create and choose option. So what I want the ad to do, is it to chat, new chat, is it new view, post view, is it bot, is it add a new website, all that I want. If I want, I can click it. Once I select it, so direct, I'll go to, but you need to pay. Let me click new now. So I can set the message that I want my people to receive. Once I set it, then I'll make payment. That is it. Yeah. Then the ad will be running. So these are the way that you can earn on Telegram. In case if you have any question, you can ask. But if you are new to my channel and you have not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and click that notification bell and click that subscribe button. And you can also join our WhatsApp group, our contact gain WhatsApp group, where you can get over 10,000 viewers on WhatsApp every time on your status. So if you are interested, the link is on the description, and the link to this bot that I'm sharing with you on how to earn on is on the description. Once you click it, you will be redirected to the Telegram group where you can earn more and perform the task daily. You can earn at least $2 every day if you do it very well. You can earn at least $2 every day if you do it very well. If you perform the survey, if you click here now, you see survey that are full there. All you have to do is what? You just keep on performing there, and the more you perform, the more you earn. So thank you. If there's any question, you can join our WhatsApp group and ask question there. You can drop your comments under this video. Hit the thumbs up for this video to go viral and for other people to share it. If you like what we do in this group, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification so that anytime I drop a money making stuff like this again, you'll be one of those people that will go out and practice early and make money for yourself. Thank you and welcome to our channel.